So problem every shop has is coolant and stinky coolant and maintenance of coolant. So we have that same problem in our shop. So worked on a solution that can actually come through and keep that coolant clean inside of the coolant tank. And what we've come up here is this simple, what we call the Coolant Sanitizer. It's basically an ozone generator that lives down here in the coolant tank. See if you can come around so you can actually see this one. The coolant here is pretty clean because the sanitizer's been running. Come down over the top and you can see here's this ozone generator inside of here that actually works to help keep that coolant as clean and as sanitized for as long as possible. You can flip around here. This is an empty coolant tank. So this is the unit that sits inside of here, just a simple box. You set up your timers on how you want it to run. It's a minor thing, but it's to help solve all those problems that every machine shop's got.
Yeah.
And that's what, we're a machine shop as well. We're always trying to solve our solutions, so why don't we help customers solve theirs?
Yeah.
There you go.
Exactly.